Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 8, I can put into 4 plus 4. Next, we can do about identities, and that is about s plus 2 to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 2 equal to number 2 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have ds equal to number 2 secant of t square dt. Next, I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 4 tan t square. Next, number 4, we can do about factorization. Number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. One plus tan t square, we change by secant of t square. And now we need to simplify, and we have dt. The integration of dt, we have t plus c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And now we have t equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.